Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another natural hair tutorial for you guys. A very spring, very summer, very colorful, very fun look. So yeah, I'm going to be using Jackies, and without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For all my new subscribers, welcome. I have another hairstyle for you guys today, and this style is just so cute. I love the butterfly clips. I love how colorful it is. You guys know how much I love color. I love color a lot, so this style just makes me feel really happy. Anyways, I'm gonna be trying the Jackies coconut cream line. If you guys haven't noticed, I've been reviewing different Jackies lines to basically give you guys a rundown of how the products work in my hair, and just to let you guys know about the different lines. So I've tried the aloe and mint. Today I'm going to be doing the coconut cream, and then after this I'm going to be doing the grapeseed line. So today I'm going to be introducing you guys to Jackies coconut cream recipe. The line has such a beautiful coconut scent that makes you feel like you're on a vacation somewhere on an island. So that just inspired me to do a really colorful look, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on the notification bell so I'm notified for when I upload my videos, and without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so first we're gonna start with cleansing. I'm gonna be using the Jackies coconut cream recipes cocoa wash, and it contains coconut milk, and it's really a shampoo, and it thoroughly cleanses your hair and conditions at the same time. So it leaves your hair feeling nice and soft, and it doesn't dry your hair or make your hair brittle. It's really a cross between a shampoo and a regular co-wash. It's sulfate free, it contains no mineral oil and no petroleum. It removes buildup from your scalp. It contains shea butter, coconut oil, plumeria flower extract, rosemary leaf extract, vitamin E, panax ginseng root extract. These are ingredients that help to cleanse your hair and scalp and also condition your hair. As you can see, I wash in sections, and I started using clips at the ends just to keep my hair in place so that the twist don't unravel and my hair doesn't get tangled. So now I'm just rinsing off the shampoo. It also smells really nice. It's going to leave your hair smelling so fresh and nice and clean. As you guys know, my hair is low porosity, so a lot of times water just sits on my hair. That's why you see those little droplets on my hair. But yeah, I make sure that I rinse thoroughly. Next, we're going to go into deep conditioning. Next, we have the coconut cream cocoa repair deep conditioner. First, before we get into the details, let me just say that I really love this deep conditioner. It makes my hair so soft. I actually prefer it to the one from the previous aloe and mint line, Jackies aloe and mint line that I reviewed. This deep conditioner makes my hair feel so soft, and it's good for finger detangling. It's good for detangling if you like to use brushes, but I like to finger detangle. That's what I'm doing right now. So I basically pull pieces of hair apart and rake my hands through my hair to remove tangles and shed hair and all of that. I find that for me, it's safer for my hair than using combs and brushes. As you guys see, I just removed a piece of shed hair. Yes, it does take a little more time than combing with a brush, but I just prefer to do this. It's safer for my hair. I've been doing it for years, so I'm used to doing it now. Whenever a deep conditioner makes my hair really soft, it makes the shed hair so easy to remove, and it just helps to speed up my finger detangling time. So I really like this. Yeah, this is definitely a deep conditioner that I'm going to see myself using a lot. It's actually my favorite product in the coconut cream line. I just love the way this thing feels in my hair, honestly. So that's what I'm doing, just finger detangling. And it also has no mineral oil, no petroleum as well. It contains coconut oil and avocado. Coconut oil helps to reinforce your hair to help reduce breakage. Avocado really does soften your hair and adds a nice shine. And it also contains mango and flaxseed, which also helps to repair damaged hair. And you can use this as a regular rinse out conditioner or a deep conditioner. I use it as a deep conditioner because I like to deep condition my hair. So when I'm done applying it to a section, I twist it and do all my entire head of hair. So this is my entire head of hair done. I'm just going to leave it under a plastic cap for about 10 to 30 minutes, then come back and rinse. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, if you have low porosity hair, it's best to apply your deep conditioner while you're still in the shower because your cuticles are still open, so it helps the product absorb better into your hair. So now I'm just rinsing out my deep conditioner. Then after this, we are going to get into styling. Okay, guys, are you still here? We're about to start styling. Now we're getting into the sweet part. So my hair is currently twisted because I like to twist my hair to stretch it while after I'm done like rinsing out my deep conditioner. Anyways, I'm taking the coconut cream buttercream intensive moisture sealant, and when it says intensive, it really is intensive. This thing is so hydrating and moisturizing. Oh my god, like you can literally just apply this alone to your hair after you finish washing and deep conditioning, and it will be enough to moisturize your hair. So I'm applying that section by section. As you guys can see, I'm currently braiding my hair because I'm going to be doing a braid out for this style. The ingredients of this buttercream are really nice. Contains coconut and castor oil, contains shea butter, mono oil, rosemary extract. It also contains water as the first ingredient, contains nice conditioning fatty alcohols, contains argan oil extract, contains vitamin E as well. This ingredients list screams moisture and hydration. There's no mineral oil and no petroleum. So right now I am just preparing my hair to braid it. Now I always say whenever I'm doing styles like braid out, twist out, roller set or anything like that, I separate my hair into a lot of pieces before I actually braid. So obviously if you're braiding your hair, you're gonna start with 3 pieces, right? So split each of those 3 pieces into 2 or 3 smaller pieces before you braid. That is just going to make your separation process 100 times easier when you're taking down the braids later on. So you know how when you take out your braid and it's time to fluff, sometimes that fluffing process can cause a lot of frizz and can like remove the definition that you work so hard for, especially for people that have like 4B 4C hair. If you do this, separate the pieces before you braid, it actually makes it much easier for you, and it helps to maintain a lot of your definition without causing you excess frizz. If you need more clarity on what I mean when I say separate the pieces, ask me down below and I'll try my best to explain. Anyway, so this is the next day, and as you can see, I have started taking down my braids, and as you can see, I have a lot of definition. So now I'm going to take out a braid and show you guys what I mean when I say that it's going to make separating and taking down your hair much easier if you actually separate the pieces before you braid. I do this for twist outs and roller sets as well. It helps me to preserve a lot of my definition and still have good volume. So now I'm unraveling this braid, and I'm going to unravel all my braids before we go into separation. So now I'm done unraveling that braid, and as you guys can see, my hair has a really nice amount of definition and shine, and my hair feels amazing as well. Overall, I think I prefer the coconut cream recipe line to the aloe and mint line that I reviewed previously. Like I said in the aloe and mint video, I think the products in that line will be better for people with high porosity hair. The products in the coconut cream recipe line will be better for people with low porosity hair because it's really hydrating, and the products really soak into your hair, and that is good for people with low porosity hair. So I really like this line. Anyways, now I am separating, and as you guys can see, it's so easy for me to just pull my hair apart to separate it into pieces. That is because I did the separation before I braided. So now everything is just so easy. Like I literally just have to pull the piece apart and it separates by itself. If I hadn't separated my hair before I braided, I would be messing up all my definition right now because my hair would still be tangled and it wouldn't be easy for me to just separate my hair like this. So doing the separation before just makes it much easier for you to separate and fluff your hair, still have good volume and still have a lot of definition. Like I said, if you need me to explain this more, please definitely let me know down below. So I'm just going to keep fluffing. I got a little carried away and over fluffed, so because you guys know I love big hair, and for this particular style, the bigger the fluffier the better for me. But yeah, this is what my braid out is looking like now. So now I'm about to start doing my half up half down. I'm just separating out pieces in the front, and then I'm also going to separate out pieces at the side that I'm going to be tying up with a hair tie. Oh yeah, if you have hair that is always dry, you're gonna love this line as well. So people with low porosity hair, people whose hair doesn't absorb moisture easily, you're going to really like this line. So I'm tying up my hair with the hair tie, and I'm just gonna keep fluffing because I wanted this to be really big and full. Go ahead and do your edges if you want to. You guys know I don't bother with laying down my edges because my edges don't stay laid. Like in the next how many minutes it's going to frizz up again, and I don't mind my edges frizzed up. So yeah, anyways, I'm adding these butterfly clips that I got from my local beauty supply store, and that is basically how you do this look. It's such an easy style to do, and it's so cute and it's so adorable. You guys know I love putting accessories in my hair, but yeah, this is how you do this look. Let me know what you guys think down below. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial with this Aunt Jackie's coconut cream recipe. This line has a very nice tropical coconut scent. Like, my hair smells so amazing right now, and that just inspired me to do like a nice tropical, colorful, I don't know, this just looks very colorful to me, so that just inspired me to do this hairstyle. But I really like it. I think it's very evident that my spirits is ready for summer. I'm tired of this Chicago weather. I've been doing a lot of styles that can be worn in the summer, and this is definitely something that I really like how this turned out. I love the butterfly clips. I love color a lot, so this style is just, yeah, it's just making me happy. Like I said, this is the Aunt Jackie's coconut cream recipe. I've been trying a lot of Aunt Jackie's lines recently, so I've tried their aloe and mint line. This is the coconut cream line, and next I think I'm going to be using the grapeseed line. So I'm basically trying out different Aunt Jackie's lines just to let you guys know how the products work and see how they work in my hair. This moisturizing cream is so moisturizing, it's so hydrating, and it's quite lightweight. It's not too thick, so it's definitely great for people with lower porosity hair. If you have finer hair, you still be able to use this, and it wouldn't like overwhelm your hair. It wouldn't weigh down your hair. The deep conditioner, that deep conditioner was amazing. It made my hair feel a little softer than the one from the aloe and mint line did. So I really like this deep conditioner a lot. It's really nice. So if you take only like hair porosity into account, I say that the aloe and mint line is better suited for people with higher porosity hair, and the coconut cream line is better suited for people with lower porosity hair. When you start factoring in like hair thickness, you know, like thickness of your strand, whether your hair is fine, medium or coarse, your hair might be able to tolerate any of the lines depending on how you use the products. Like I said, I have low porosity hair, so this coconut cream line really works well for me, but I can also still use the products from the aloe and mint because my strands are very thick, my strands are coarse, so they can handle thicker products. This line also comes with a jelly, so for styles like wash and goes or styles that require like gel or something like that. You guys know personally I don't really use gels, and the style I was going for didn't really need gel, so I didn't use it for this style. But it's a really nice gel. I actually like looked it up and saw it being used in other people's hair, and almost all the reviews that I saw, people really like this. So if you do wash and goes, you can definitely try out the gel. It doesn't leave your hair crunchy, it doesn't leave flakes in your hair, and it gives you hold, but not too much hold to where your hair is really stiff, if you know what I mean. Okay, that's all I have for this video. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you guys like the style. Also, let me know if you've tried Aunt Jackie's products. Let me know which of the lines you've tried. Let me know your experiences with the lines. Let me know if you have stuff from different lines. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below or my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.